Welcome to Sattvic Concept of Daily Life. Myself Chetana Badekar here. We were discussing about awareness on the nature. Are we aware of our nature? As I told you earlier, we are not synchronized with the natural schedule. Entire 12 hours of daylight is given to us. Still we keep our activity pending to the night. There will be certain jobs which you have to do it in the night, that is exceptional. I am talking about the general crowd. The general crowd also takes huge amount of night time to complete their work, whereas animals don't do that. By the time of 8 o'clock they will be reaching their feeding ground. By the time of 3:30 to 4 o'clock they walk back to the resting ground. They are synchronized to that daily life. As the night pervades, they want to subsidize their activity and settle down. Only the hungry animals will be wandering around and the nocturnal animals will be wandering around exceptionally. Otherwise they are going with the daily schedule. Are we doing the same? And let us think about the way we build the house. As we know that one tree is a house of so many. If you see that the microbes, the soil microbes which is inside the roots, and what are the organisms which are growing on the bark, the number of animals residing inside the canopy and the leaves and foliages, if you think all of this, one tree is a house of so many people, so many animals. It is like a mini apartment. So, when a human is building a house, what we do first? We clean the area. We deforest that area. From there, a building of the house work starts. By killing so many animals' house, we are planning to build a house for 2 or 3. Are we doing the right things with the animals or right thing with the nature? Is it a successful development? Why we are not able to think in this line? I am not telling that we can stop it for the 100%, but definitely each of us have to take this effort to restore our nature, to live with our nature, to live in harmony with our nature. For that it is very important to establish that connection between the nature. To build the house of 2 or 3, we should not destroy the house of so many. If a stranger coming to your house tomorrow suddenly enters your house and start changing the settings of your house as per his requirement, what we do? We immediately pledge a complaint that some nonsense is going on in our house, please take care of it. What we are doing with the nature? Have we taken the permission of other animals before destructing the entire habitation? When we are so fragile about our emotions and the existence, how much fragility we are concerned about the other organisms which are coexisting, which are equally important with the nature. To understand this, we have to sync with the nature, synchronize with the nature. And going away from the nature is not development. It brings more disturbances and disorders to our health. Our daily life will be very peaceful, very happy when you are living with the awareness of nature. We have to think about it in detail. We'll come back with the more relevant concept with that. Till then, thank you.